to come to the Christmas tree.
Why?
Because there's tiny things under it.
Hmm?
There's tiny things under it. Look!
Let's see.
Rabbits!
Happy birthday, dude. Back up, man. Whoever made this for me, raise your hand.
Santa. Look, there's always a stop. There you
I just wanted a polka dot.
Santa, you listening?
Yeah, I never got a.
The trash.
Oh, you know.
I never got a polka dot.
I never. You have your stocking now.
You get it to the dog, you know, terrible.
You got some.
So many. Thank you, Santa. You're the best.
Here. Let's see your stocking.
It's a watch.
What? Yay!
I got my watch. I got my watch.
Hey.
I got my watch. I have my own watch.
Hey.
I have two watch.
Hey.
I have two watch.
Hey.
Two watches.
Hey, she getting there. Hey.
Yay!
Wait.
How much is that, kid?
She got $200 in gift cards. Hey!
And 100.
But you got two.
I know.
1 plus 1 is.
Two.
Hey!
$2.
Hey.
$2.
Hey.
$2.
Hey!
100. I got 200. I got 200.
That's nice. That looks short.
Yes,
What
sir.
size of pants?
Yes, Daddy, yes, sir.
Big enough. Big enough.
What size of pants? They look short.
Not big enough. Not small enough to fit you.
Yeah, I think they might slide or borrow.
Nope.
Don't put it in the dryer. Oh, I like that.
I don't put much in the dryer.
That's nice. What you say?
Thank you. I like it.
What you got? Okay, there. Happy birthday. It's birthday gift. Wait, no, that long one goes with that.
Yeah, I figured that.
She was trying to figure out what they were.
Birthday boy.
I know what that was.
Go birthday
I didn't know what
boy.
this was. No more cold calls.
For the bike. It's a remote start for the bike.
somebody gave
Who
me.
did this?
Mommy,
Huh?
somebody gave me
You
flowers.
did this. You know I
Mommy,
love
somebody
me some
gave
Whitney
me
Houston.
flowers.
Oh, you gonna make me cry.
Let me out.
It is a big old cast iron pot. I'm gonna make today's dinner.
Get back
Thank
here.
you, Jared.
Can you tell us?
It's a brown box. These boxes when they gifted us. Giselle, look what I got.
What? A heart?
That's the bag. Thank you, Mom.
Me and my boyfriend just got phones. Me and my boyfriend. I'm playing Roblox. Me and my boyfriend got phones in Roblox.
You're in the
We just got
bag.
phones. He's my boyfriend.
And it comes with the bag.
We just got phones.
Thank you.
I'm pretending that he's my boyfriend. Alright. Look, I'm showing him my videos. Like there's YouTube, there's games, there's a lot of Roblox. I'm gonna play some Roblox. I can fly.
You can fly. Okay, wait. It's not about you. It's Daddy's turn.
Shaka, 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 shaka.
What in the world?
Good. Am I going to school? Am I having a job? But you got up to
What in the world?
Make some flowers. Here you go.
Can this be opened in front of the child? What's that? You got an upgrade?
That guy tried to blow me.
Yo. You gotta learn that when it ain't always about you, ma'am. You can't wait. Here, scissors. You got scissors. What is that? Get you upgrading him and stuff. Nice.